Hello, my name is Andrei. I'm author of Selenide library. It's a library for writing automated tests in Java. And today I decided to create a video in, let's say, experimental format. I will ask some specific question about Selenide from ChatGPT. And let's see, is it able to give a correct answer? Let's go. Let's assume that you need to write an automated test, which probably opens a page with a link for downloading a file. For example, this one, hello world. The test wants to click this link somehow and get this file. Usually people have lots of problems with that. How exactly can I say browsers that you need to download to this folder? How later I need to find this file from this folder? All these questions are complex. So let's try. Let's try to ask ChatGPT how to download a file in Selenide. Okay, to download a file, blah, 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 you need to call download method. Yeah, it sounds reasonable initially. Let's see. Initially it suggests to call a download method, but it doesn't answer how to find this file later. Now chat suggests you to call the method downloads with the name of file. Okay, let's see. Let's try it. Going to my IntelliJ. This was another. Okay, let's start new method. New answer. And ChatGPT suggests to write this code. Okay, yeah, exception was missing. It's trivial. Let's see. This site does not exist. So it's expected to fail. Okay, let's copy proper URL. And let's copy the code for finding the proper link. In this case, it's easier to find the link just by text. And we will call method download. Let's see what happens. We see that test was green. Actually, it worked. But we didn't get an answer how should we find this file from downloads folder. And we also don't know where the file is downloaded to which folder. We don't know. Let's see, does chat answer something? Okay, chat also suggests one other option. Let's try this one, probably. Yes, no, it doesn't even compile. As we see, there is no such download method with string parameter. So the first try was not successful. Probably let's ask additional question. But how to find the downloaded file in a folder? How can we find this file? It's the most tricky question actually. Chat suggests us to find this file by a name in this folder. Okay, let's try it. Let's copy paste this code. I guess the idea was that this line should be before opening a browser, because it's like sets Selenide configuration properties. Okay, it says that you need to download to this folder. Which folder? I don't know, but for example, we can put here like from current folder /download. It's okay, well, probably, let's try it. Now it suggests to find the downloaded file by its name. Okay, but what name will be? Probably we can try out this name. Let's see if it works really. Then it suggests to wait for this file, but there is a problem. There is no such a method on file. That's a trick. Okay, and verify that the file exists. Well, probably, but this line does not compile. Java class file doesn't have wait for method. That's a problem. This is a tricky part, how to download until the download is completed, is fully completed. We did not get an answer. Probably let's ask how to wait until the file gets fully downloaded. It's a tricky question. Chat needs time to think about it. Okay, it suggests us to use wait for method, but this method does not exist really. No, still the same. Wait for polling area, but there is no such method. It doesn't even compile. No. Okay, stop generating. Let's just try again the initial question. Let's one more time in Selenide. I hope that probably this time we probably might get a better answer. Now, regenerate response. Let's try again. One last chance, chat. Please. Find the link, call download method. No, still the same problem. Okay, last chance. Actually, sometimes I got the correct answer from ChatGPT, but not today. Last chance. Whew. Okay, sorry chat, but today you did not really answer the question. Now let me show the correct answer. It was like close, but not exactly. The point is that you don't really need to set this folder. Don't really need to wait for this file. Don't really need to find the file by name. All this stuff is not needed. You don't even need this line. What you really need to pay attention to IntelliJ warnings. As you see, this method is yellow. Shows a warning. The warning says that the result of method download is ignored. Aha. Probably we need to press like option enter or alt enter. And let's see what's available option. Introduce local variable. Nice. Actually, this download method returns something. It returns the file. It returns the downloaded file. This is a correct answer. We do not need to bother about folders. We don't need to set some downloads folder. We don't need to wait anything. We don't need to find the file. We just need to call method download and get the file as a result. And we don't even need to check that the file exists. It's not really needed because Selenide already guarantees that if method download didn't fail, if it returned a file instance, it already means that the file was downloaded completely and it exists. You don't need to check that file exists. The only thing that you probably would like is to check that the file has name, or to check that the file has some proper content. Why not? Content. Once again, that these two lines are probably like rather optional, because calling method download already gives you guarantee that the file was downloaded. Let's check if this test now works. It failed for a very reasonable reason. This line failed because the file has some different content, I guess. Let's check. Yes, actually the file has this content. And let's check if test, yes, this time the test is green. So you see that the correct answer is very short, just one line of code. Just one line of code. This line, this is the correct answer, nothing else is needed. To summarize, the right answer is very short. You just need to call download method and use the file it returns. Very simple. And there are a bunch of wrong answers and wrong things that people often do. Trying to download a file in automated tests. People try to click the link, list all files in the downloads folder, and try to find the proper file by using name or extension or something like that. You don't really need to do all this stuff. Just call download method. And one small hint, sometimes when the browser occasionally can download multiple files, it can sometimes happen, you might give browser a hint that probably you, for example, you are expecting a file with extension txt. Yes, then you might with filter. You might give some filter for a file, something like that. Nice. And you are expecting file with extension txt. Or you can say you are expecting file PDF. There are a bunch of options. This way you can give a hint to Selenide that you are expecting this file. But it's not always needed, only sometimes, only a few corner cases. So this is optional, and like the simplest option is like this, just call download method. So yeah, today's result that the correct answer is very simple. Please don't write all this unneeded stuff. Don't write logic which is complex, more complex than is really needed. And yes, today ChatGPT did not give a correct answer. Sorry. See you next time. Please send you in comments what question do you want to discuss, or what aspects of Selenide do you want to learn, and we will try to ask chat next time about these things. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.